Our cosmic rationalization. They see that it must all be good, for it all amounts to the same in the fullness of cosmic time. We can waste, pollute, and destroy, since we're merely a single atom in one infinite universe. Our puny reigns cannot be distinguished from the greater entropy that's proceeding on all around us. Doomed as we most surely are, we need not have a care for our actions or our attitudes. We may freely pursue any selfish interest, for it will really make no difference in any possible end. It's safe to assure them they're God's chosen people, knowing divine retribution is simply a myth. Given the void, any and all political spin or cover-up is justified if it advances our own greedy cause. For the earth is doomed to be swallowed by the sun in the not-too-distant cosmic future. Practicing a social Darwinism on future generations might actually help make them stronger. We need not burden ourselves with concerns over some future beyond our own event horizon. Given our brief emergence from emptiness, we can and should act just to please ourselves. There is good reason to nurture and take advantage of their foolish need to blind faith. The effects of our short population bloom will be so quickly diluted as to be of no concern. Earth has witnessed other mass extinctions, and all life on this planet is doomed in any case. We can blithely finance fictional eternal souls for them if it gains us riches and control. We may as well call the suffering and death of war inevitable if it helps fulfill our need to power. In the end, conservation and preservation amount to as much as exploitation and depredation. We might as well profit from these random yet happy circumstances that support us right now. We can languish in cruel poverty or struggle to vast riches, and it winds up all the same. There's no point in saving if some fool will offer us free credit during these short lives. We're going the way of the dinosaurs, only faster, so it's best to quickly grab all we can. There'll be no way to tell and nobody to notice, even if you could save even a few trees. The good and the bad are indistinguishable in the ash and the dust to which we return. Our greatest efforts cannot even slightly impair the life force that spreads with the universe. Saving the planet is as fanciful a notion as the potential reward of an everlasting paradise. Our small choices lie within the mindless yet absolute certitude that guides flowing water. Sensibly, we adjust our ethics with the situation, time, place, and our current selfish needs. Let them listen to the sound of one hand clapping, even as our other empties their pockets. The unknowable silently rationalizes any action for which we choose to invoke it. Incomprehensible infinity dilutes the effects of all of our acts to an immaterial immeasurability. Our imminent and permanent return to the void best frames all of our plans for the future. Thus, may short-sighted and self-centered concerns cosmically guide our pursuit of happiness.